Excuse me. I want to go to the museum, but I do not know where to start.
Hey everyone! Imagine this. You are at a beautiful museum with your family. The entrance hall is huge. Tall marble columns, a glass ceiling, and gallery after gallery opening up in every direction. Most families just walk silently from room to room, looking at paintings and sculptures. They never ask a single question, and they miss the magic. So sad. But Hannah? She asks one simple polite question. And her family ends up on a private, expert-led tour by a real curator, hearing the secret stories behind the most famous paintings. Completely free. Today, I will teach you that secret phrase, plus 4 more must-know museum phrases. Let us go. Welcome back to Easy English with Emma. I am Emma, and today, we are going to the museum. Whether you are visiting an art museum in Paris, a science museum in London, or a history museum in New York, the same 5 English phrases will work everywhere. Here is the truth. Museum staff are some of the most passionate people you will ever meet. They love talking about their exhibits. But most visitors just walk silently from room to room. They never ask, and they miss the magic. Today, Hannah is taking her family to a beautiful art museum, and she is going to use 5 powerful phrases to unlock free tours, secret stories, and unforgettable moments. Are you ready? Let us jump into our 5 key phrases. Alright. Let us go through today's 5 key museum phrases. Repeat after me. Key phrase 1. Are there any free guided tours today? Are there any free guided tours today? Beautiful. This one is gold. And it is our secret phrase of the day. Most museums offer free tours every single day, but they almost never advertise them loudly. You have to ask. And the rewards are amazing. Key phrase 2. Could you tell me more about this piece? Could you tell me more about this piece? Lovely. Use this one in front of any artwork. Staff and curators love this question. It is basically inviting them to share their passion. Key phrase 3. Is photography allowed in this gallery? Is photography allowed in this gallery? Great! Some galleries allow photos with no flash, some allow no photos at all. Always ask first to avoid awkward moments. Key phrase 4. Where can I find the Egypt section? Where can I find the Egypt section? Perfect. Museums are huge. Just swap in the section you want. The dinosaur section, the modern art section, anything. Key phrase 5. What is the most popular exhibit right now? What is the most popular exhibit right now? Wonderful. The staff know which exhibit is the freshest, the most exciting, the one everyone is talking about that day. Just ask, and they will send you straight to the magic. Great! 5 phrases. Now let us see them in action. Alright. It is a bright late morning at the grand entrance hall of a beautiful modern art museum. Tall marble columns rise up to a high glass ceiling, and soft golden light fills the space. Hannah, holding a small folded museum map and wearing a casual light cardigan, walks up to the polished wooden information desk with a curious smile. Daniel, a friendly male museum staff member in his late 20s with short dark brown hair, wearing a smart navy blue museum vest over a white shirt and a small name badge, greets her with a warm professional smile.
Good morning. This place is absolutely stunning.
Good morning. Welcome to the City Art Museum. Is this your first visit?
Yes, it is. And honestly, I have no idea where to start. Quick question. Are there any free guided tours today?
What perfect timing! Yes, actually. One of our curators, Marcus, is leading a free tour of the European Painting Gallery in about 15 minutes. He is a real expert. He wrote part of the museum's main catalog.
Wait. A real curator? And it is completely free?
Completely free. It is about 45 minutes, very small group, and you can ask him anything. Most visitors do not even know we offer these. We only announce them quietly here at the desk.
That sounds amazing. Where do we meet?
Right here at the desk at 11 o'clock. I will add your family to the list now. What is the name?
Hannah, party of 4. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. You are going to love it. Marcus is one of our best.
Beautiful, Hannah. Did you see what just happened? With one polite question, Hannah just got her entire family a private, expert-led tour by a real curator. For free. Are there any free guided tours today? This phrase is your secret weapon at any museum. In the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and many countries in Europe, museums offer free guided tours every single day. But they almost never advertise them loudly. You have to ask. Sometimes a curator will join. Sometimes a senior volunteer with 30 years of experience. Either way, you will see the museum through expert eyes. Notice the word guided. It means led by a guide. And free is the magic word that confirms you do not need to pay extra. Use this phrase the moment you walk in, and you will unlock experiences that most tourists completely miss. And did you hear that lovely phrase? Quick question? Hannah said, quick question. Are there any free guided tours today? That is a polite way to start any short question. Use it today. An hour later. Hannah is now in the European Painting Gallery, standing in front of a large, beautiful oil painting in a heavy ornate gold frame. Soft warm gallery lighting fills the room. Marcus, a friendly male museum curator in his early 30s with short curly black hair, wearing a smart charcoal gray blazer over a crisp white shirt and a small museum name badge clipped to his pocket, stands beside her with a warm, knowledgeable smile.
Marcus, this painting is incredible. Could you tell me more about this piece?
Absolutely. And it is one of my favorites. This was painted in 1872, and it took the artist almost 3 years to finish. See the tiny figure in the corner, by the window?
Oh wow. I did not even notice her.
Most visitors do not. That is actually the artist's daughter. She passed away while he was painting it, and he added her here so she would always be part of his most important work.
That is so beautiful. And so sad. I will never look at this the same way again.
That is exactly why I love this job. Also, look closely at the light coming through the window. Can you see how it is painted in tiny dots?
Yes. It looks almost like it is glowing.
Exactly. He invented that technique here. And other artists copied it for the next 30 years. You are standing in front of a piece of art history.
Marcus, this is unforgettable. Thank you for sharing the story.
That is what we are here for. Come on, let me show you the next one.
Beautiful. Hannah just unlocked the secret story behind the painting. The kind of detail you would never read on a small wall label. Could you tell me more about this piece? Use this phrase anytime you are in front of an artwork or an exhibit and you want the real story. Notice the word piece. In museums, piece means a single artwork. It could be a painting, a sculpture, a vase, anything. You can also swap piece for other words. Could you tell me more about this painting? Could you tell me more about this sculpture? Could you tell me more about this artifact? Staff and curators love this question. It is basically inviting them to share their passion. Try it, and the museum will come alive. Early afternoon. Hannah is now in a softly lit gallery filled with delicate ancient artifacts displayed inside elegant glass cases. Warm golden light glows from inside the cases. Ethan, a friendly male museum gallery attendant in his late 20s with short light brown hair, wearing a clean navy blue museum uniform with a small museum logo on the chest and a small name badge, stands politely near a doorway with a calm, helpful smile.
Excuse me. Quick question. Is photography allowed in this gallery?
Great question. Yes. Photography is totally fine here, but please no flash. The flash can damage the colors of the older pieces over time.
Got it. No flash. Thank you. And one more thing. What is the most popular exhibit right now?
Oh, that is an easy one. The new Ancient Egypt exhibit just opened last week. Everyone is talking about it. They have a real, perfectly preserved gold mask. Only a few in the world. It is 2 galleries down, on the left.
A real gold mask? My kids are going to lose their minds.
Right? And here is a little tip. Go now if you can. Around 3 o'clock it gets really crowded, but right now it is quiet. You will have it almost to yourselves.
Where can I find the Egypt section, exactly?
Walk straight through this archway, turn left at the big stone statue, and you cannot miss it. There is a soft golden light at the entrance.
2 galleries down, turn left at the statue. Perfect. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Enjoy the gold mask.
Wonderful. Hannah's kids are now standing in front of a real Egyptian gold mask, with the whole gallery almost to themselves. A once-in-a-lifetime moment. Is photography allowed in this gallery? This is so important at museums all over the world. Some galleries allow photos with no flash. Some allow no photos at all. Some allow video. Always ask first. And the staff will give you a clear, friendly answer so you can enjoy your visit without any awkward moments. Okay. Now it is quiz time. Let us see if you remember today's biggest moment. Quiz time. Hannah's family ended up on a private tour with a real curator, hearing the secret stories behind some of the museum's most famous paintings. Completely free. Which phrase was Hannah's magic key? A. Could you tell me more about this piece? B. Are there any free guided tours today? C. What is the most popular exhibit right now? Write A, B, or C in the comments right now. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone. Now you have 5 powerful phrases that will turn any museum visit into an unforgettable adventure. Are there any free guided tours today? Could you tell me more about this piece? Is photography allowed in this gallery? Where can I find the Egypt section? What is the most popular exhibit right now? Remember, museum staff are passionate experts who love sharing stories with kind, curious visitors. Just ask, and you will discover the magic that most tourists walk right past. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. It seriously means the world to me. And next time, we are going to the bookstore. Wait till you hear the one simple phrase Hannah uses that gets the staff to hand-pick her the perfect book in under 2 minutes. Most shoppers spend an hour wandering, but you will not. See you next time. Bye-bye.